Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Square Cash, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for Square Cash, begin by downloading the Square Cash app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device. On the welcome screen, tap on Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. After entering your information, tap Next to continue. Square Cash will send you a verification code via email or text. Check your email or messages for the code. Enter the verification code into the app. Next, create a unique username called a $cash tag. This username will be used by others to send you money. Choose a strong password for your account. After setting up your username and password, tap Next again. You will then need to link a debit card or bank account to your Square Cash account. Tap on Link Bank or Link Debit Card. Follow the prompts to enter your banking information. Make sure to double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once your bank account or debit card is linked, you may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided in the app to complete this process. After your identity is verified, you are now fully registered. You can start sending and receiving money using Square Cash. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Enjoy the convenience of transferring money effortlessly through Square Cash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.